Have you ever felt unwell and struggled to explain your symptoms in English? You know what you want to say, but suddenly, all the right words disappear. Don't worry, today, you'll learn how to handle that situation like a fluent English speaker. Welcome to our Advanced English Shadowing Conversation Practice. In this episode, you'll join Emma as she visits her family doctor, Dr. Jameson. You'll hear how to describe symptoms naturally, ask polite questions, and understand real medical advice, all in fluent, natural English. Remember, this is your chance to listen, repeat, and shadow every line. So get ready to speak along, feel confident, and sound more natural. Let's begin with part 1, at the reception.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to see Dr. Jameson, please. I'm not feeling very well.
I see. Do you have an appointment? Or would you like to see if he's available for a walk-in consultation?
I called earlier, but I wasn't sure if I could make it on time, so I didn't confirm.
No problem. Let me check the schedule. Could I have your full name, please?
Sure, it's Emma Collins.
All right, Ms. Collins. You're in luck. Dr. Jameson has an opening in about 10 minutes.
That's perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please have a seat in the waiting area. I'll let you know when the doctor is ready.
Part 2, entering the doctor's office.
Good morning, Emma. Come on in. How have you been?
Morning, doctor. Honestly, not great. I've been feeling exhausted and feverish for over a week now.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let's see if we can figure out what's going on. Can you tell me more about your symptoms?
Sure. It started with a sore throat and mild headache. Then I developed body aches, chills, and fatigue. I've also had trouble sleeping.
Sounds like you've been through quite a bit. Have you been taking any medication or home remedies so far?
Just some paracetamol for the fever and herbal tea for the throat. But it doesn't seem to help much.
Okay. Any cough, congestion, or shortness of breath?
A little bit of coughing, but not too bad. Mostly I just feel drained.
Understood. Let's check your temperature and blood pressure first. Your temperature is slightly elevated, 99.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Blood pressure looks normal. How's your appetite?
I don't feel like eating much. Even coffee doesn't appeal to me lately.
That's unusual for you. I remember you mentioning your morning coffee habit. Have you been under a lot of stress recently?
Actually, yes. I've been working long hours and I barely take breaks. I thought it was just burnout, but it feels worse.
I see. Sometimes physical fatigue can be triggered by emotional stress. But let's rule out other causes first.
Part 3, discussing possible causes.
Based on your symptoms, we could be looking at a viral infection, possibly the flu, or even post-viral fatigue.
That makes sense. I caught a cold a few weeks ago, but it went away.
Right. Sometimes the body doesn't fully recover and needs extra rest. I'll also order a few basic tests, blood count, thyroid function, and vitamin levels.
All right. Will I get the results today?
Some of them, yes. The rest may take a day or two.
Doctor, could it be something more serious?
It's natural to worry, but from what I see, your symptoms don't indicate anything alarming. However, we'll do a thorough check to be sure.
Thank you. I appreciate your honesty.
Of course, it's always better to understand what's happening than to guess.
Part 4. Advice and Lifestyle Guidance.
While we wait for your test results, I recommend that you rest properly, at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Stay hydrated, water, soups, herbal teas. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. They dehydrate your body. Eat light, nutritious meals, fruits, vegetables, lean protein. Take mild painkillers if necessary, but don't overdo it.
That sounds manageable. I'll try to rest more.
Good. Also, it might help to step away from work for a day or two. Stress can slow down recovery.
You're right. I've been pushing myself too hard lately.
Mental rest is as important as physical rest. Try to do something calming, like reading, journaling, or taking a short walk.
That actually sounds really nice. Maybe I'll spend tomorrow offline completely.
Excellent idea. I'll prescribe a mild multivitamin and something to help you sleep better if needed.
Thank you so much, Doctor. You always make things clearer.
My pleasure. Take care of yourself and call me if your symptoms get worse.
Part 5. At the Pharmacy.
Hello. How can I help you today?
Hi, I have a prescription from Dr. Jameson.
Sure. May I see it?
Here you go.
All right, we have everything in stock. This one's for your energy and vitamin balance, and the other helps with sleep and stress.
Perfect. How should I take them?
The vitamins after breakfast, and the sleep aid only before bedtime, 1 tablet, not more.
Got it. Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.
Part 6. A week later. Follow-up visit.
Welcome back, Emma. You look much better today.
Thank you. I actually feel alive again. The fatigue is almost gone.
That's great news. Did you manage to rest more?
Yes. I cut down my work hours and started journaling before bed. It really helped.
Wonderful. Sometimes simple lifestyle changes make the biggest difference.
You were right about that. Also, my test results came back normal, right?
Yes, everything looks perfectly fine. You just needed proper rest and balance.
I learned something valuable. Ignoring your body never helps.
Exactly. The body whispers before it screams. Always listen to the whispers.
I'll remember that. Thank you again, Doctor.
You're very welcome. Keep taking care of yourself, Emma.
End of conversation summary. In this advanced English conversation, you learned how to describe symptoms naturally, how to ask for and understand medical advice, common doctor-patient vocabulary, polite and empathetic expressions, stress and lifestyle discussions in fluent English. And that was our advanced English conversation at the doctor's office. You've just practiced how to describe your symptoms Ask for advice and respond naturally, just like native speakers do in real life. Remember, fluency isn't about memorizing words. It's about feeling confident using English in everyday situations. So keep shadowing, keep listening, and keep speaking. Your English will get stronger every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What would you say if you had to visit a doctor in English? Thank you for watching and practicing with me today. Take care of your health and your English, and I'll see you in the next conversation.